Right, dears, welcome to today's class. We are discussing about the circles in the tangent properties ICSE syllabus we are discussing. This is the problem given here is three circles of radii 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter touch each other externally. Find the perimeter of the triangle obtained and joining the centers of these circles they are given. So here, first circle, second and third circle they are given. One circle radius I considered AQ as 2, therefore AP also becomes 2 because the radii of the same circles. In the same way, BQ I taken 3, so BR is also 3. In the same way, CR is 4, so CP is also considered as a 4 centimeter. Now, perimeter of the triangle. Remember, children, perimeter means what we can say it is the sum of all the three sides of the triangle is considered as perimeter. Now, ABC triangle perimeter I have taken. It can be written as AB plus BC plus CA. So here AB can be written as AQ plus BQ. Next, BC can be written as BR plus CR. Next, CA is what you can write CP plus AP. Now you substitute the values. AQ is 2, QB is 3. Next, BR is 3. In the same way, RC is 4, CP is 4, and PA is also 4. 2. Therefore, by adding all that, you will get 18 centimeter. This is considered as the perimeter of the given triangle. Okay, children? Here, the second problem given for you is in the given diagram. The sides of the quadrilateral touch the circle. Prove that AB plus CD equals BC plus AD. So now, according to that diagram is taken and the external tangents from the external point to the circle I considered. C is external point means CR equals CQ. D external point means DS and DR are equal. A external point, therefore AS and AP are the tangents drawn from the external point A. Then B is the external point, so BQ and BP are the tangents which are equal as they have constructed from the external point B. Therefore, I considered AP equals AS, PB equals BQ, and CR equals CQ. At the same time, DR equals DS. Now, all the left hand sides I added, at the same time right hand also added. Now, dear children, left hand observe AP plus PB plus CR plus DR I taken on one side. AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS I taken on another side. Therefore, together what observe in the diagram, AP plus PB can be written as AB. Together I written as AB. Next, in the same way, CR plus DR can be written as what CD. Observe, CR plus DR can be written as CD. That I changed here. Next, come to right hand side. AS and DS I grouped. AS and DS can be written as AD, and at last BQ plus CQ can be written as, observe in the diagram, BQ plus CQ is written as BC. I considered BC. Hence, by taking all these steps, we have proved what they asked in the given question. Right, children? Circles in that tangent properties is if ABC are the sides of a right triangle, where C is the hypotenuse, prove that radius of the circle which touches the tangent of the triangle is given by, they ask. So according to the question, I have considered the diagram, circle I considered. Okay, after considering the circle, right angle triangle I taken, ACB is a right angle triangle, right angled edge C, and closely observe children, I separated the circle with the tangents. Here, first I considered AF is equal to AE because A is the external point, so that AF and AE becomes tangents drawn from the external point A. Therefore, AF and AE are equal. Next, second point. I considered the circle with B as an external point. Therefore, BF and BD are the tangents drawn to the same circle from the external point B. Therefore, BF and BD also equal. Next, third one I considered C as the external point. EC and DC are the tangents. Therefore, DC and EC are equal, I have considered. Next, after considering this, observe children, OD is perpendicular to BC. In the same way, OE is perpendicular to AC. So, OD is perpendicular to BC means what you have to understand, D is a right angle, 90 degree. Angle D is 90. In the same way, angle E is also 90 degree, remember children. So that what happens, angle D is 90, C is 90, E is 90. Therefore, in the figure OECD, angle O also becomes 90 because we know the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 and three angles are 90 means a fourth angle will be what? 90 degree only. Then observe ODCE I considered as a square and its side will be R. Then I went for this AF and AE are equal. AE I written as AC minus EC. AC is B minus R I consider. In the same way, I took BF and BD are equal. BD is written as BC minus CD. Therefore, I taken it as A minus R. Now, I came to the third side, hypotenuse AB. AB is written as AF plus BF, and AF we proved it is B minus R, and this FB is A minus R, and AB measurement they have given as C, remember children. Now, I added A plus B, C brought to right, so it written as minus C, and minus R is minus 2R, shift to another side, it is plus 2R. Therefore, radius equals A plus B minus C divided by 2. I've taken, hence what the question they asked that we have proved here. Okay, children. So here the problem they have given is in the figure O is the center of the circle. AB is a tangent at B. If AB equals 15 centimeter and AC equals 7.5 centimeter, find the radius of the circle. According to the question, I had taken the diagram. O is the center of the circle and AB is tangent. The given measurement as 15 centimeter and AC measurement is 7.5. You have to find the measurement of OB, that is radius you have to find, they said. So that first here I will consider the problem. This one, observe what are the properties you can take. Here first what we can consider angle OBA. Remember children, angle OBA equals 90 degree. Angle OBA equals 90 degree. Why we can take it as 90 degree? Remember children, AB is the tangent, OB is the radius. Relation between the tangent and the radius is perpendicular. 90 degree I have considered. Next, now you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem, remember. Okay, that is here what the Pythagoras theorem you can take. Just this OB square, here I consider this OB square radius we have to find. OB square can be written as this OA square minus AB square. Remember children, how I can take directly OB square, the square of the radius can be written as OA square minus this what AB square. AB square I write. Now this OB square I consider it as OB I consider as radius, and OB will always be equal to OC. OB will always be equal to OC. Therefore, OB square I take it as R square, which will be equal to OA. OA, observe dear students. OA can be written as OC plus AC. OC plus AC for this whole square minus AB is 15 square. Now you just substitute R square equals OC measurement is R plus AC measurement is 7.5 for this whole square minus 15 square I have taken. Okay, children. Now, on the right hand side, A plus B whole square formula expansion is there. I write it as R square equals. Now, observe A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is R square plus 7.5 square. 7.5 square, what you are getting, DS, that is 56 point. 7.5 square is 56.25. Next, plus 7.5 to the 15 r minus 15 square, it gives you 225. Okay, children. Now observe A plus B whole square I expanded. A square is R square. B square is 7.5 whole square. 7.5 square is 56.25. And 2AB, 2 into first term into second term. 2 into R is 2R into 7.5 gives you 15R minus 225. Now both the side R square get cancelled. Therefore, what you are getting, my dear children, this 56.5, okay, the 15R I shift first, minus 15R equals, now you have to subtract 225 and 56.25. What you are getting, minus 168.75 you are getting. Therefore, both the sides, what the minus will get cancelled. R equals what you are getting, children, 168.75, and it is divided by what, 15. Therefore, radius of the circle finally you are getting it as what, 11.25. 11.25 centimeters, and this is your final answer. So once again, I explain you, please observe. That is, angle OBA considered right angle because AB is tangent, OB is radius. Relation between the tangent and the radius is 90 degree. So I applied Pythagoras theorem here. OB square radius square equals OA square minus AB square I taken. OB is R I considered radius. R square equals OA I written as OC plus AC whole square minus 15 square substituted. OC value I substituted R plus 7.5 whole square. Next I went for A plus B whole square and I substituted the values. At last I got 11.25 centimeter as the radius of the circle. Okay, children. Right, dear friends, here the second problem we have taken from the lesson circles tangent properties is in the given figure. Here they only given diagram. PA and PB are the tangents drawn from P to the circle, and AP measurement they have given it as 15 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle PEC. So now observe, children, PA and PB They are the tangents drawn from the external point. Therefore, what you can consider PA and PB, both of them are equal to 15 centimeter. This should be your first consideration. That is what PA is equal to PB. This you have to remember because they are the tangents drawn from the external point P to the circle with the center O. As we got PA and PB, what they asked you, please observe, dear children. They asked perimeter of the triangle. Okay, they asked about the perimeter. Remember, perimeter of triangle. Which is the triangle, dear students? It is PEC, they asked. Now, what is the meaning for the perimeter? Perimeter meaning is sum of all the three sides in a triangle. Now here, what you can take PE plus EC plus PC. Right, friends? Now observe PE. Here the PE is there. This is what we can say PE and PC, and this one is EC. These three measurements. Now I just make a slight change here. Just observe the circle. Here, like this, the circle is there. And from here, I consider the two tangents. Which are the tangent I consider means observe, my dear friends. AE and D. E is the external point. Remember, children, E is the external point. ED and EA are the tangents. They are equal in measurement. And in the same way, next one you consider the same circle, and from D to C and C to B, the tangents are there. This is DC and B. DC and B, these two are also equal. So the tangents drawn from the external point of the circle are equal. Therefore, observe, children, see what it is there. This PE I keep as it is. Okay. Plus EC I will write it as ED plus CD. ED plus CD plus PC I will take. Okay, now this PE I keep as it is plus ED I write it as EA plus CD I write as CB plus PC. Now observe, my dear friends, what you will get. PE plus EA can be written as what? PA. In the same way, CB plus PC can be written as PB. Therefore, PA measurement we know that is equal to 15 centimeter. PB measurement is also equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, 15 plus 50 we get 30 centimeter as the perimeter of the triangle PEC. Once again, I explain. Observe, my dear friends. Now here they asked you to find the perimeter of the triangle PEC, and they given PA measurement is 15. We know PA is equal to PB because the tangents run from the external point of the circle are equal. Now I considered the formula sum of the three sides PE plus EC plus PC I taken. Now PA I kept as it is. EC in the diagram, observe, my dear friends. EC can be written as ED plus DC. ED plus DC. And last PC I kept as it is. Now ED observe in the diagram, according to the diagram, ED and EA are tangents from the external point. They are equal. In the same way, if CD and CB are the tangents from the external point. Therefore, they are also equal. Hence, instead of ED, I written EA, and instead of CD, I taken CB. Therefore, ED is written as EA, CD as CB. And PE plus EA is PA, CB plus PC is PB. So I substituted the values. 15 plus 15 gives you 30 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle PEC. Thank you very much, DS. Remember, children, what we have taken? Two concentric circles are of radii 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the outer circle which touches the inner circle. Here, what you have to take a inner circle, right? In which touches the inner circle, which touches the inner circle. This is the question. So first, the question arises: what is concentric circle? What does it mean? How we can understand? So concentric circles. What is the meaning, dears? The circles with the same center. Concentric means what? The circle with the same center but different radii. Remember, circles with the same center. This is circle number one. And second one, sorry. Okay, like this circles, we are calling it as what? Concentric circles. Centers are same, but what you can take a the radius are different. Different radius. So remember the definition of concentric. In 9th standard, also we have taught you about the concentric. Concentric circles definition is circles with same center and different radii. Different radii. This is called concentric circle. Now here what they said, there are two concentric circles. Okay, children. Two concentric circles. Just I will consider this one. Okay, as the center. Okay, center is there with O. And first circle is with a 13 centimeter radius. Okay. And the second circle with a radius 5 centimeter I will consider. Okay. So remember this is 13 and here is 5. And they said find the length of the chord of the outer circle which touches the inner circle. Means here the chord is there. Okay, I will construct the card for the outer circle which touches the inner circle. Okay, children, this is the question. You have to find the chord. Now, you just observe there are two circles. They are what type? Concentric circles. And first, a bigger circle is with a radius 13 centimeter, smaller circle with radius 5 centimeter, and then the card to the outer circle touching the inner circle, its a measurement length we have to find here. Now, what are all the considerations we have to take? First, observe dear children. Observe dear children here, this radius, and for this chord I give name first. This I call it as A, okay, and here P, and this one B. The question is from ICSE textbook, but very important for CBSE students as well as state students. And this question, even it is asked in competitive level examinations. Very simple question you have to remember. Okay, very simple question, but a very important one for all the syllabus students. You please remember this. Okay, so now first watch. I consider the triangle OPB. First observe, my dear students. OPB triangle. This is OPB triangle. Here, this one I consider it as a right angle. It is not a consideration because OP, observe, OP is the radius. Remember, children, OP is the radius and AB is the tangent. OP is the radius, PB is the tangent, and AB is the tangent, and the relation between the radius and the tangent is perpendicular, that is 90 degrees. Hence, now what we got? OP measurement, they are given 5, and OB measurement is 13. Now we have to find the PB measurement by using Pythagoras theorem. So now Pythagoras theorem I am taking, that is the hypotenuse square OB square equals OP square plus PB square. That is the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Now 13 square equals OP is 5 square plus PB square I will consider. Now 13 square is 169. 5 square is 25 equals PB square. Here I shifted that 25 to left hand side. Okay, next children. Now 169 minus 25. 169 minus 25. How much it gives? 144. And this square I shift, it will become root, which gives you PB measurement. And root of 144 is how much? 12 centimeter. Now observe, my dear friends, we got PB as 12 centimeter. As we got PB 12 centimeter, in a 9th standard, you have learnt a theorem that if we draw a straight line perpendicular to the chord from the center of a circle, it bisects the chord we have discussed. Therefore, what you can take, AB can be written as 2 times PB, which gives you 2 multiplied by 12, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, my dear friends, once again I explain, observe carefully. Okay, observe carefully here. Now, what the problem they are given? Two concentric circles are of the radii 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the outer circle which touches the inner circle. The question they are given. So first, what is the meaning of concentric circles we have taken? Concentric circles means what? With the same center and different radii. Now here, first one radii 13 centimeter, second is 5. So according to the question, I draw the diagram. And here observe, OP is the radius, AB is the tangent, PP is considered as tangent. So the relation between the radius and the tangent is perpendicular, that is 90 degree. And I considered the right angle triangle OPP. So OP square equals OP square plus PB square I written. Therefore, OB they have given 13, its square is 169. OP is 5, square is 25, I shifted, so we got 144. Its root is 12 centimeter and AB is 2 times a PB. Therefore, 2 into 12 we taken and it is 24 centimeter. Now, my dear friends, first one circle is 5 centimeter and second one is 2.8 centimeter. And according to this, you have to find the distance between their centers. How the question is given, they are considered as external touching and internal touching circles. You have to find the distance between their centers. Okay, and right, in both the cases, you have to find the distance between them. So first, I taken external touching circles diagram. Okay, dears. And here I take the first one center as O, second circle center as C. And what they mentioned, observe dear children. That is here middle where they are meeting. That I consider it as P. Okay, now OP measurement they said it is 5 centimeter and PC measurement they said it is 2.8 centimeter. This is external touching circles. And what you have to find the distance between their centers. Distance between their centers, they asked. So very simple LKG problem it is a distance between their centers here. Here what the idea they are going to give. In future you are getting for this if the tangents have been drawn. That is direct common tangent and transverse common tangent. Two types of the tangents you are getting for all ICSE and CBSE state students. There you have to find the length of the tangent instead of this length of the centers, distance of the centers. There you will get this one. Observe very simple problem. You have to find the distance between their centers. Absolutely very easy sum for you. Okay. OC measurement you have to find. OC is OP plus PC. Right, friends? OP plus PC. So OP is what? 5 plus 2.8, which gives you 5 plus 2.8 is 7.8. Absolutely, we are in basic level of the circles chapter. Remember, this is case 1. That is when the circles are touching externally. When the circles are touching externally, then internal touching circles. Internal touching circles. What you have to do in the same case? Okay, first I consider, observe how I take the diagram. O is the center of the greater circle. Next, C is the center of the smaller circle. Then both of them have joined together. Remember, my dear students, what I am taking? O is the center of the greater circle with radius 5 centimeter. C is the center of the smaller circle with center 2.8 centimeter. Now you have to find the distance between their centers. Again, you have to find OC. Remember, dear children, OC measurement equals. But now you can write OC can be written as OP minus OP minus what you can write CP or PC. Clear? OP minus CP, because OP measurement is the radius of the greater circle. Okay, that is 5 minus 2.8. So which gives you 5 minus 2.8 gives you how much, DS? 2.2 centimeter. Okay, these are considered as the distance between the centers of the external touching and internal touching circles. Means here what the idea they are going to give through these
So,
problems. Wait. It's not an interaction session. It's not okay. Here, but when these two external touching circles are there, means what the idea through this problem we are giving, the distance, that is radius, to be added. For internal touching circles, the distance or the radius to be subtracted is the hint what we are going to give here. Okay, dear children. Now, right friends, again here, as we have discussed about the basic of this external touching and internal touching circles. Here in future, what they are going to ask you to find, that is the length of the DCT and length of the TCT. Then for the examinations related to competitive, what they asked, what is DCT? That is direct common tangent properties. Means observe DCT. Here I just give the name for this one, AB. AB is a straight line. AB is a straight line which is considered as DC. That is, what is its full form? Direct common tangent. Direct common tangent. Means till now we have discussed to construct a tangent for a single circle. Remember, for single circle. Now here two circles are there. Both the circles are externally touching circles. If both of them we draw a common tangent, then it is called DCT, direct common tangent. Not only one, another also we can construct. This one also. Here, see already I have given name. Okay. X and Y. Right. Here AB as well as XY, they are considered as what? Direct common tangents. And here for internal touching circles also we can construct DCT. This is LM I take. Here LM is also considered as direct common tangent. Means how you can remember, if the centers of the circle lie on the same side of the tangent, then it is called as direct common tangent. How to remember, children? If the centers of the circles, okay, remember DCT definition. Okay, if the centers of the circles, if the centers of the circles lie on, if the centers of the circles lie on same side of the tangent. Remember, centers of the circles lie on same side of the tangent. Same side of the tangent. then it is called a direct common tangent. Then another one is there, that is called a TCT. Remember children, it is called what? TCT. TCT means a transverse common tangent. What it is called? Transverse common tangent. Okay, transverse common tangent. In this same diagram, I will draw, observe children. Transverse common tangent. Right here, I give name EF. EF is what it is? Transverse common tangent. So how you can remember this? EF. EF is transverse common tangent. Means if the centers of the circles lying on either side of the tangent. Centers of the circles lying on either side of the tangent, then it is called a transverse common tangent. So the direct common tangent and transverse common tangent, you have to remember. In future, we will get the numericals based on to find the length of the DCT or the length of the TCT. Now, different types of DCTs you please observe. Okay. Yes, Anjana, any doubt?
Sir, is TCT not possible in internally touching circles?
1 minute. Yeah, once again, can you repeat?
Sir, is TCT not possible in internally touching circles?
No, in internal touching circles, transverse common tangent cannot be constructed because what is the definition of TCT? Remember, the center of the circles must lie on either side. Either side. So here in TCT, for internal touching circles, TCT cannot be constructed. Okay, children, have you understood?
Sir, here also.
There from the lesson circles tangent properties. Okay, and the problem given here you for you is observe. In the given figure below, triangle ABC is circumscribed. I have to find the value of x. The diagram is there here. That is what AP measurement is 4 centimeter, PB is 6, and here they have given AC is 12. You have to find the value of BC. Now, my dear students, you please closely observe the diagram. First, what you have to take, I consider a circle. I make them into parts. Okay, dears. And here, these two tangents I will consider. This is P and B. And here R is there. And they are given this measurement. This measurement as PB as 6, they are given. Therefore, BR is also equal to 6 because tangents drawn from the external point of the circle are equal. Next is second one. How easy the lesson is, you have to observe and concentrate here. Now, next one I take P A Q. PAQ I will consider. PA is 4 centimeter and this AQ will also be 4 centimeter because the tangents run from the external point of the circle. Now, according to our theory, now what we got, dear children, AP is also equal to AQ, therefore it is 4. Here, complete they have given AC as 12 and 12 minus 4 gives you 8 centimeter. And here what we are having 6 centimeter we got here. Okay, children. Now, this one you please observe. Here we got 8 centimeter. Therefore, the third circle you consider here.
that is again the tangents. Here you are having Q and C. Next, here you are having R. That is what you can take QC. We got 8 centimeter. Therefore, this RC is also 8 centimeter. That is tangents run from the external point of the circle are equal. Therefore, X they asked total measurement 8 plus 6 equals 14 centimeter is the measurement of the X. You have to remember. Look, dear sir, how easily we got the answer. How to write the steps and all here? First, you have to go for watch the PB. Okay, dear children, observe. PB measurement will be equal to BR measurement. Both of them are equal to 6 centimeter. And the reason you have to mention compulsory the reason. Okay, tangents drawn from the external point of a circle are equal. Tangents drawn from the external external point of a circle are equal. You have to remember this. Next, in the same way, similarly, what you can write? Similarly, AP is equal to AQ. AP is equal to AQ. This is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, children. Next, third one you have to write. You have to find the value of QC. QC, how you can write, children? QC can be written as AC minus AQ. So in AC, we have to subtract what AQ, then we are getting QC, remember. Therefore, this one, how you can write? AC measurement is 12 centimeter minus AQ, we got 4 centimeter, which gives you finally 12 minus 4 is 8 centimeter. So as you got this one, next, our last stage, what you have to write, this QC is equal to RC, which is also equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, finally, what you can write, X equals BC can be written as 6 plus 8, which gives you the total measurement of 14 centimeter. So this is your final answer. X value is equal to 14 centimeter you got. Now, my dear friends, once again I explain this one. You please observe. Any doubt you get, you please ask. Now, first, PB and this PB and BR I have considered as 6 centimeter because they are tangents run from the external point of the circle. Next, AP and AQ are equal. Again, they are tangents drawn from the external point of. Next, this overall AC measurement is 12. AQ now we got 4. 12 minus 4 gives you 8 centimeter. And this 8 centimeter QC will be equal to RC. That is also 8 because these two QC and RC are external tangents run from external points. Therefore, 8 plus C you can add, you will get the value of 14 centimeter. So, with this, my explanation regarding the problem is completed. Right, dear children, welcome back. And here is the second question for you all. The second question they have given you like this. the circle is there. It is outside the touching tangents have given, and RC measurement is 3 centimeter. AQ measurement is 5 centimeter. BC measurement they have given 7 centimeter, and you have to find the value of AB. This is the question they asked you to solve here. Again, the question is from ICSE text. Now, how to solve this? Very simple. Just by seeing, you can get the answers. Just by seeing, you can get the answers. But you have to be careful. First circle, what you have to consider. You come near to your answer, that's all. Here, QA and PA. First, what to consider, children? QA and PA. Observe, A is the external point, QA and PA are the tangents. Therefore, AQ 5 centimeter means this AP is also 5 centimeter. So first part of the answer you got already. So easy, dear friends. But you only making it complicated because you are not hardworking. You have to develop the characteristic of thinking, not by hearting. Okay, next observe. RC and SC I will take. This is R, C, S. Okay, here they are given 3 centimeter, means this is also 3 centimeter is the meaning. Again, the tangents drawn from the external point are equal. Next, same procedure. 7 minus 3 gives you how much, dear children? 4 centimeter. Next, you have to consider the same circle. Okay, right? And then here is the tangents from the external point. S, B, and P. Okay, here this is 4 centimeter, means here also you will get 4. Therefore, overall measurement 5 plus 4 gives you 9 centimeter. The measurement of the given AB line. That's all. Now, how to write the steps? First, you have to take AQ measurement is equal to AP measurement. AQ and AP, both of them are equal to 5 centimeter. Again, the reason is the same. That reason is what you have to write, my dear friends. Remember, reason is tangents drawn, tangents drawn from the external point of a circle are equal. Finished. Next, what to write? Similarly, RC measurement is equal to CS measurement. Both of them are equal to 3 centimeter. Next, you have to consider BS measurement can be written as what? BC minus SC, which gives you BC is, observe dear friends, here it is 7 centimeter minus 3 centimeter, which gives you how much, DS? It is 4 centimeter, which is also equal to BP, because BS and BP are the tangents drawn from the external point B. So finally, therefore, what you can write? X equals AB, X equals AB, which can be written as AP plus BP. AP plus BP, which is equal to 5 plus 4, which is equal to, finally it can be written as 9 centimeter. So this is your hand. My dear students, once again I repeat the explanation. You please concentrate. First, what I taken this QA measurement and AP measurement are equal because A is the external point and AQ and AP are the tangents drawn from the external point A. Therefore, both of them are equal. So I taken AQ and AP is equal to 5 cm. Next, second one. RC and SC I taken equal because C is the external point, CR and CS are the tangents to the same circle from the external point C. Therefore, RC and SC are equal, both of them equal to 3 centimeter. Next, I consider this BC full measurement is 7 centimeter, SC measurement is 3 centimeter, 7 minus 3 gives you 4 centimeter here. And this BS will be equal to BP because B is the external point and BS and BP are the tangents to the circle. Therefore, BP is also equal to 4 centimeter. Now, by adding 5 and 4, the overall measurement of the X is 9 centimeter. With this, my explanation is completed. Thank you. And here today's third problem we are discussing is they are given the diagram. Circumscribed circle is there. You have to find the perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD. So observe the question. The quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed and you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means, remember children, you have to find the sum of all the four sides of the quadrilateral have to find. Now, my dear friends, here what are all they have given? You just observe how I will bifurcate this one. Now, A is the external point, AP and AS are equal, therefore I take it as 6 centimeter. Next, D is an external point, DR and DS are equal, hence 4 centimeter. Next, C is the external point, CQ and CR are equal, therefore RC is 3 centimeter. Next, B is the external point, BQ and BP are equal, therefore here you will get 5 centimeter. Now you can add all the four sides. 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. So overall, what you will get, dear children? 11 plus 10 is 21 plus 8, 29 plus 7 is 36 centimeter overall. Look how easy the questions are here if you are able to understand. So I start from the beginning. Okay, that is how to write the steps for this problem. I start from AP. Observe children, AP is equal to AS. Both of them are equal to 6 centimeter. At last, I will write the reason. Next, BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. This one is equal to 5 centimeter. Next, CQ is equal to CR. Here, both of them are equal to 3 centimeter. Next, last one is DR is equal to DS. This one's measurement is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so as we got, therefore, the perimeter of this quadrilateral, remember all the four sides we have to add. Perimeter of the quadrilateral can be written as AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. All the four sides we have added here. Okay, dear friends, now you substitute one by one measurement. AB, what you got 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 4 plus 3 is 7, next 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, overall, the perimeter of the quadrilateral here is 36 centimeter. This is your final answer. Now, once again, I explain this one. You please concentrate. I went for A is the external point. Therefore, AS and AP are the tangents drawn from the external point A. They are equal. Both of them are equal to 6 cm. B is the external point. BQ, BP are the tangents drawn from the external point. They are equal to 5. Next, C is external point. CR, CQ are tangents. They are equal to 3 centimeter. D is the external point. DR and DS are the tangents. Both of them are equal 4 centimeter. So that finally you got the perimeter of the given quadrilateral is how much? 36 centimeter we have concluded. Now with this my explanation of this problem is completed, dear. Right, my dear friends, today's the fourth sum here they have given is very important sum for ICSE and also for CBSE class 10. In the given figure, quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed and AD is perpendicular to CD. You have to find the value of x if the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Very, very important sum for ICSE 10. Now observe, my dear children, here they are given the measurement PB. PB measurement is 27 centimeter they have given, and this BC measurement 38 centimeter they given, and radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. With this, we have to find the value of x they ask. Now the first part of the problem, here I take the PB measurement will be equal to BQ measurement because B is the external point and BP and BQ are the tangents drawn from the external point B. Therefore, PB and BQ will be equal. Equal to what? They given 27 as PB measurement. Therefore, BQ is also 27 centimeter. This is the first stage. Next, second one. BC measurement they given 38 and we found that this BQ is 27 and 38 minus 27 gives you 11 centimeter. That is the measurement of QC. Second. Now, the third stage begins. C is the external point. CR and CQ are the tangents. Therefore, CQ is 11 centimeter and RC is also equal to 11 centimeter because the tangents run from the external point are equal. Now, we got this RC measurement as 11 centimeter. Next, I come to next part. DS. Here they said, observe, angle ADC is 90 degree. This is D, 90 degree they have mentioned. AD is perpendicular to OS. Means OS is the radius, AD is the tangent. What is the relation between the radius and the tangent DS? As we have studied, according to the theorem, the radius and the tangent, they are perpendicular. Means here we got S angle is 90 degrees. In the same way, OR is also radius, remember children. OR is the radius, therefore OS and OR are the radius of the same circle. Their measurement will be what? 10 centimeter. And now OR is the radius, CD is the tangent. Therefore, the relation between the tangent and the radius is perpendicular, that is 90 degrees. Hence, all the four angles are 90-degree here. Hence, it is a square. Therefore, SD measurement we got 10 centimeter. As we got SD measurement as 10 centimeter, D is the external point. DS and DR are the tangents drawn from the external point. Hence, they are equal. Therefore, DS is equal to DR, which gives you 10 centimeter. Now we got DR as 10, RC as 11. Therefore, the total measurement of CD is 11 plus 10 is 21 centimeter is your final answer. Hence, with this, my explanation regarding the problem is completed. Thank you very much. Thank you, one and all, for attending. Thank you, dear.